What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today on Bullet's Garage we are installing a dash cam system in the BMW M5 because I got rear-ended about 3 weeks ago, and thank the Lord it's not bad. It's very minor damage. I did not fix it, but right there you could probably see it. So what happened was I was stopped at a red light for about a minute, just sitting. There's cars behind me sitting, cars next to me sitting, and then all of a sudden, boom. And the saddest thing is, the first thing that came to my mind was, holy shit, I just spun a bearing and my motor seized. That's the first thing I thought. So luckily that was not the case. It was a lady that her foot slipped off her brake pedal and she rolled into me, and basically her license plate screws indented into my bumper. So it's not terrible damage, but I'm gonna install this dash cam since I have it. It's been sitting around, so let's get it installed. Hey, how you doing? All right, so this is the system we're gonna be using. It's by Vantrue, plug and play. It comes with a cigarette light adapter, powers the camera. This gets run to the rear camera. Pretty much just plug and play. The good thing with the Beamer is that we do have a cigarette light adapter right here. So that's where I'm going to power this bad boy from. Plug it in, run the wires up, connect the camera. Then for the back camera, I'm going to run the wires underneath to the back window, plug it up there, and it should be pretty smooth, simple install. So I'll kind of give you an over glimpse of how I do it and how it works, and I'll show you how it goes. This is why I hate doing stuff on the inside. Right here, there's a little cover. There's a T20. I took that off to run my two wires here. Got them in here. This one is going to be ran up there to the camera. BMW engineers, you guys are just complete assholes. Like, these clips are just so hard to come out, like brutal. But anyway, I'm running the wire to the rear camera right behind here. Same situation here. These clips are a nightmare, but I'm gonna run it up here, up and there, and then I'll show you the finished product once it's buttoned down. But it's just annoying, the amount of stuff and these clips that are in the way. All right, we are all done with the help of my babies. Ya babies, ya babies. Rear camera's installed. Looking good. Everything is tucked away nicely, like it was brand freaking spanking new. Nobody knows I was even here. Okay, that's where I decided to mount it. Just because it just made the most sense. So let me hop in the car and see what we see, shall we? I'm gonna actually lower the hood. Only thing is the rear shade, the rear sunshade. Hopefully that does justice, but man, it's gonna be hard to record this and see what the heck I'm pressing. So let me see if this will be okay for you guys. So basically, I need to get my SD card because I don't have one. But there's 4 freaking cameras. So the first one, let me see if I could cycle through each one. All right, so there's the front-facing camera, and I'm gonna probably have it. Yeah, I know there's no SD card. Thank you. I mean, that looks pretty good to me. Maybe a little bit less of this black. So, like, I couldn't. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of this black. So, maybe a little bit less of I couldn't put it further down because then it'll be too out of the way. If I put it down here, that would just look freaking stupid. On this side, then this would be in the way. So I figured, you know, this is the best that it's gonna get right here, and that's just what it's gonna be. So don't judge me, don't hate me. I don't want to hear any comments. But all right, so that's the front view. Okay, that is the camera looking inside the car. Yo, what it do, baby boo? What it do? So let me see if I could let me even take off the little plastic here. I didn't take this off. Come on. All right, so that's gonna be looking inside the car. So I could actually lower this slightly lower. Yeah, I think that's pretty darn good. Hey, okay. So that's what that looks like. Then we have the camera that is in the back seat looking inside. So I'm gonna bring that one slightly lower also. And then the last one is the camera that's looking outside. Now I wonder if I could like voice, no voice, sure, record setup, like how can I get rid of all these things on the screen? That's kind of just annoying. But I mean, I'm not going to be looking at this because I mean, that's just for if there's an accident or whatever, then we'll be able to see. Yeah, so the only thing I want to do, so the rear shade, I want to see if it's going to clear. So I'm going to do that. Come on, shade. Oh, of course. Come on, car. All right. Wow, look at that. Nicely cleared. But then you won't be able to see anything inside here. So I guess I'm gonna have to just drive with the shade down, I guess. Let me see how that looks. Sorry guys, this is all test run here. Yeah, all you see is the little shade, so that's kind of dumb. So I guess we are just gonna rock with no shade. All right, cool, whatever. All right, let me lower that slightly. This guy is just living his best life. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Right there. Okay. And then let me see the rear camera. I mean, I think that looks pretty darn good. If anything, I could go just a smidge higher. Yeah, let's try a little smidge higher. And then that's gonna be this one here. A little twist up. Yeah, and we're done, guys. I'm done with this freaking install. Super sweet, super easy, super nice. I'm gonna grab a SD card, get it, and activate it and just go through all the settings. But at least now I'm protected. If I get rear-ended or anything happens, I have it on video and we're good to go.